Welcome to another video right here on FE Builds. This is going to be a quick install, and I bought this specifically for this RC right here. I'm sure you've seen it before on this channel, and I love this RC. It is very top heavy, but I love the shocks that come with it, and I put the Fusion Pro inside. But the reason why I bought this RC is because I actually really like the real car, and it's a model of the real car for me. So we're going to be fitting this, and it's a surprise. So I'll show you clips as we go in, short clips to keep this video short and simple and to the point. And yeah, let's begin. So this wire goes into here, and then this section plugs into that plug over there. So let's do that quickly. Okay, so that is connected. Sorry for the sound in the background. It's my fish tank. That is connected without having to open up the receiver box. And hidden in there is the Fusion Pro. I believe this is a metal gearbox also. Very nice, strong gearbox. But we're just going to clean this up quickly, and then we're going to test this out. Okay, so for the next step, we've cleaned up the arches. I'm going to put the system a bit high because basically it is water resistant, but it's not necessarily waterproof. So we'll put it on the highest point of the crawler, because as you know, if you've watched this channel before, we like to send this through the mud and shallow river crossings, but not too deep. Yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, so I was gonna stick one piece on this side and the other on this side, but basically what happens, if I could start from the beginning, this wire going into here, this wire coming over here is the wire of the ESC going to the receiver. So basically this system joins in on the ESC. It sort of like attaches on, and then from this system it goes in through to channel 2. And I decided to move that piece that was here from here to on the roof, because there's some screws over there which I can zip tie the thing to, apart from just relying on the sticker, just so it doesn't fall off. And I want to put that at the highest point possible, so it should be good. I'm quite keen to see how this will work and how it will sound. Okay, so everything is zip tied down nice and neat, and through the bonnet we're just going to turn on the car. The remote's already on, diffs are open. By the way, this inspired me with the Jimny to get independent locking diffs, so you don't have to lock the back to lock the front. You can lock the front or the back, whichever one you want. So let's turn it on. Hopefully we have life. Going down. Gonna lock the rear diff. that is just the front diffs being used. It's the one on this side. When the light goes off, the diff is on. So you have to climb with just the front diffs.